I wanted to work on this idea because history is a very delicate subject. Massive destructions are happening around the world to major landmarks, cultural heritage sites, and monuments, which is currently affecting our identity. I conceived Ruin to Reality, which is an application that would allow access to people through a virtual reality mask and experience what used to be there and reconnect with who they are. Through an interactive interface and a user-updated server, this application will allow access to those 3D models, drawing the timeline of a certain geographical site. For the first time, history will be perceived, conceived, and visualized. The application will rebuild connections between people and civilizations and will connect the world to its history. So my vision was to collect data from all these cultural heritage sites that have been damaged by war or natural disasters and project them back to the people around the world. We are all driven by emotions. People's drives and motives are my inspiration, what space and experience could generate for a person. Innovation is massive change. It is being able to revolutionize one's perception. Audi is a leader in design and innovation around the world. This initiative and this award is helping designers of the Middle East gain the exposure that they need.